Imagine slipping on a $10,000 Rolex, flexing your wrist, but here's the twist: you're still in your pajamas at home. Welcome to 2025, where luxury shopping isn't just about walking into a boutique, it's about logging into the metaverse of fashion. Today, we're exploring the wild world of AR and VR luxury shopping. Can you really try on a Cartier watch, a Louis Vuitton jacket, or even test drive a Lamborghini, all without leaving your living room? Let's find out if this is the future of luxury, or just another expensive gimmick. Here's what we're covering: AR and VR try-on tech, the brands already using it, the crazy experiences it unlocks, and whether digital luxury shopping how AR luxury try-ons work. So how does it work? Augmented reality, AR, uses your phone or AR glasses to overlay virtual objects onto your real world. Basically, it tricks your camera into thinking you're balling out. Example, you point your phone at your wrist, and suddenly, boom, you're wearing a Patek Philippe worth more than your car. Virtual reality, VR, takes it further. You put on a headset, step into a luxury store recreated in 3D, and browse like you're in Paris, sipping overpriced espresso. Except you're actually in your bedroom, surrounded by laundry. Joke. Honestly, VR luxury stores are the only place where the security guard doesn't follow me around like I'm about to steal something. Let's talk about watches first. Rolex, Tag Heuer, and Cartier are experimenting with AR apps. They'll let you see how a $20,000 timepiece looks on your wrist. It's actually genius because for many of us, just trying it on is the closest we'll get to owning one. And here's the kicker: studies show people are 30% more likely to buy luxury items online if they can virtually try them on first. That's why brands love this tech. It lowers hesitation, raises your FOMO, and makes your credit card cry faster. Fun fact: the most expensive watch ever sold is the Patek Philippe Grandmaster Chime, $31 million. Yeah, that's a house. Or in some cities, like 3 houses. Cars and VR. Now, let's go bigger, cars. Imagine strapping on a VR headset and test driving a Ferrari down the Amalfi Coast without worrying about crashing into a gelato stand. Companies like Porsche and BMW are already using VR showrooms. You can customize the car color, sit in the driver's seat virtually, and hear the engine roar in surround sound. It's like Gran Turismo, except instead of winning the car, you're actually paying $200,000 for it. I tried a VR showroom once and nearly ordered a car by accident. That's when I knew this tech is dangerously convincing. Fashion and accessories. Luxury fashion is all over this trend. Gucci, Prada, and Louis Vuitton have AR apps where you can try on sneakers, sunglasses, or even handbags. Here's my take: it's super fun, but sometimes glitchy. I once tried AR Gucci sneakers in it. Looked like I was wearing clown shoes. But hey, maybe that's fashion in 2025. The bigger trend is digital fashion. Virtual outfits you only wear in photos or on avatars. Sounds silly? Well, people are already paying thousands for clothes they can't touch. It's like buying an outfit for your Instagram feed only. Honestly, I can't decide if that's brilliant or the end of civilization. The luxury store experience. Here's where it gets interesting. Luxury isn't just about products. It's about the experience. Walking into a Louis Vuitton store feels different than shopping on Amazon, right? Now brands are trying to replicate that digitally. Virtual boutiques with personal stylists, sometimes even AI ones. Imagine walking into a digital Dior store, and a virtual assistant remembers your past purchases, suggests outfits, and compliments your taste. Creepy? Maybe. Effective? Definitely. Fun fact: studies show 70% of Gen Z shoppers actually prefer personalized shopping in AR/VR over going to malls. Which explains why malls are slowly becoming giant indoor pickleball courts. Segment 6. Pros and cons. Alright, let's weigh it out. Pros. You could try luxury items without leaving your house. No judgment from salespeople when you don't buy anything. It makes luxury accessible, even if only virtually. Cons. It's not the same as holding the item. Luxury is about feel. Tech glitches can ruin the illusion. And let's be honest, Part of luxury shopping is flexing on Instagram from the actual boutique. AR doesn't give you that yet. Personal take, here's my opinion. AR and VR shopping are game changers, but they'll never fully replace the real thing. Because luxury is about storytelling. It's about walking out of a boutique with a bag that says, yes, I just spent my rent money on this. That said, I love AR try-ons. I can own 10 Rolexes without ever worrying about scratches. And it saves me from awkward small talk with salespeople who know I'm not buying anything. Joke, the only downside? Now I get targeted ads for yachts, and I can barely afford my Netflix subscription. So, is virtual luxury shopping the future? I think it's here to stay, but as a complement, not a replacement. Because sometimes the only way to appreciate a $10,000 watch is to feel how heavy it is when it drags your wrist down. But what do you think? Would you buy a luxury item after only trying it virtually? Or do you need that in-store champagne and velvet carpet experience first? Let me know in the comments. And hey, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications because unlike a Rolex, this channel is free. Welcome to the Lux Future, where your next luxury flex might just be pixels.